Okay, this is really exciting because I love baking, we know that, but I also love candy, but I'm very particular. I only like really, really good candy. So I am super excited that we have gotten the chance at Foodstirs to partner with the best candy, Sugarfina, and we have Rosie, the creator, founder, CEO extraordinaire from Sugarfina here. And we have created for you a Sugarfina Foodstirs Cake Pop Treat Kit. Did I say all that right?
You did, and I am like so excited about this because if I was a 6-year-old girl, this color palette literally blows my mind. I mean, it still does. It's like pink and purple. You can't go wrong with pink and purple. But like to be able to combine candy and cake is a total treat for me. So this is so fun.
I think what people don't realize too is that you can combine candy and cake and still have no artificial colors and still have natural flavoring and not walk away where your mouth is actually still this color. You have the taste of that, but you don't have all of the after.
Exactly.
And we should talk about it. It's super easy to make. It's less than 6 steps. And the full kit comes with everything you need to make this, from the Sugarfina candy to the all-natural color, to the push pops, and even to the all-natural sugar on top, and anything you could need. And seriously, you do not need to be an expert to make these. That's the other best part. Is that it comes out.
I'm very good at baking.
I think you're pretty good. I've seen you.
But this is like, you can make it look perfect really easily.